How to cancel Remitly transaction on hold. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can cancel Remitly transaction on hold, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Remitly account, just like I have done here, and then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to your home page automatically. Alright, so on this page, you can see the different tabs which include send money, transfer history, refer friends. So once you can see all of this, for you to be able to cancel a transaction put on hold, you would have to contact the customer support. Because to cancel a transaction put a transaction on hold, you would have to contact the customer support as well as to cancel it. Okay, and then how can you go about this? Move to the top right corner of the screen, click on the welcome address. In the option displayed, select help. So after selecting help, you'll be brought to the helps page. On this page, you can see um the right top which says how can we help. So you can decide to ask your question here, and then articles related to that question will be displayed. Instead, you can just scroll down and click on the chat box. And after clicking on the chat box, at the right side of the screen, chat box will be displayed, where you can now go ahead and inform them or ask them to cancel the transaction that you've put on hold earlier. And then from there, they will carry out the process of canceling the transaction fast and easily. And if it was a call option you prefer, just click on the call, copy this number, call the number, and everything will be done smoothly and seamlessly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.